In this video, I am going to show you how to install Apollo Group TV on your Firestick. First, make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet and powered on. From the home screen, navigate to the settings gear icon located in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Then go to Developer Options and ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is enabled. This setting allows you to install apps that are not available in the Amazon App Store. Now, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app in the Amazon App Store. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and download it. The Downloader app will assist you in downloading the Apollo Group TV APK. Once you have the Downloader app installed, open it and enter the official download link for the Apollo Group TV APK in the URL field. You can typically find this link on the official Apollo Group TV website or trusted forums. Click Go to start downloading the APK file. After the download is complete, you'll see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin installing Apollo Group TV on your Firestick. Once the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to free up storage space. Finally, return to the home screen, and you should find Apollo Group TV in your apps list. Launch the app, and you can start enjoying a wide variety of live TV channels and shows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.